You just got a pair of Corsair Virtuoso Max and you were extremely disappointed with the comfort. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the perfect solution for that. Our WC Freeze Cooling Gel ear pads for Corsair Virtuoso Max. Let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you how to replace these bad boys. Okay, so this is going to be very straightforward. The way you remove the ear pads from the Corsair Virtuoso Max is by rotating the ear pads counterclockwise, okay? So you rotate it. It might be a little harder on the first time because the ear pads have been on for a while, but you simply rotate it counterclockwise and then you pull it out. Okay, the reason why these have been so complained about and so uncomfortable is they look extremely thick, but the issue is about 25% of the thickness is actual cushion and 75% is this plastic bracket. I don't really understand what they did and why they did it like this, but what we did with our ear pads, as you can see, they're already looking extremely thick. Let me just move everything out of the way. They already look extremely thick, but we added more padding, okay? Unfortunately, it has to look this ridiculous and this thick because of the way these install on the headset with the plastic bracket. Don't blame me, blame Corsair, but this will add more cushion to you. And if you know us from before, this is our WC Freeze pad, but what you haven't seen probably is this is our WC Freeze version 2 pad. Different material. We now have cooling material as well as cooling gel on the top and cooling material on the inside, as well as cooling gel on the inside and PU leather on the side. So as you've seen, these twist off, okay? So as you can see right here on the ear cup, you have, what would you call it? Grooves, I would say. Some cutouts in around the ear cup. And the way that the ear pads install, so this is the right side, the way that these ear pads install, and this is the right cushion. You don't have to complicate yourself too much, but you'll see on the ear pads, you have little notches on the inside bracket where the plastic is. It's very tough to see it in the video, but you'll see it when you get the ear pad. And you want to align them to the grooves. Now, all you want to do, simply remember that when the R is pointing up, that's how it should show up on the headset, okay? So instead of coming, you know, coming from this angle and coming from this angle, just remember that the R needs to be pointing up when the ear pad is on. So if you're going to install these ear pads, if you remove them counterclockwise, you're going to install them clockwise. So you want to start with the R. Don't know if you can see it from here, but you want to start with the R slightly tilted to the left, slightly tilted counterclockwise, and that way you'll probably be able to just find the right alignment, push it in, and twist. And that's it. That's with the right one. And this is with the left one, same thing. You want to know that the L is pointing up after these are installed. So you want to twist it slightly counterclockwise, make sure it goes in, and twist clockwise, make sure that they're on, and make sure that the seams are pointing down. And that is pretty much it. As you can see, obviously these are the black ones. We also have gray, but these are the black ones for the black headset. And that is it. Let me know if you have any questions. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.